Hello student, in the last lecture we see about dissociation constant of weak base, equation for degree of dissociation of weak base, that is alpha is equal to square root of kb into v, or alpha is equal to square root of kb divided by c, and problems on dissociation constant and degree of dissociation. Today we start new point, autoionization of water. Pure water ionizes to a very small extent. The ionization equilibrium of water is represented as H2O plus H2O at liquid state in equilibrium gives H3O plus aqueous medium plus OH minus in aqueous medium. The equilibrium constant K for the ionization of water is given by K is equal to concentration of H3O plus into concentration of OH minus divided by concentration of water square, or it is also written as K into concentration of H2O square is equal to concentration of H3O plus into concentration of OH minus. A majority of H2O molecules are undissociated, consequently concentration of water H2O can be treated as constant. Then we write as concentration of H2O square is equal to K. We get the equation K into K dash is equal to concentration of H3O plus into concentration of OH minus. Hence we write Kw is equal to concentration of H3O plus into concentration of OH minus, where Kw is equal to K into K dash is called ionic product of water. The product of molar concentration of hydronium or hydrogen ions and hydroxyl ion at equilibrium in pure water at the given temperature is called ionic product of water. In pure water, H3O plus ion concentration always equal to the concentration of OH minus ion. Thus at 298 Kelvin, this concentration is found to be 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 7 mole per liter. Hence we write as Kw is equal to in bracket 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 7 into 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 7. Hence the value of Kw is equal to 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 14. The next is the most important point in this chapter is pH. The concentration of H plus and OH minus ions in aqueous solutions are usually very small and are therefore inconvenient to use. Scientist Sorensen in 1909 proposed concept of pH scale, rewriting concentration of H3O plus ion in mole per dm cube. Hence we write in logarithmic scale, this known as pH scale. pH is defined as the negative logarithm to the base 10 of molar concentration of H plus ion in solution. We write mathematically pH is equal to minus log to the base 10 concentration of H plus ion. Hence concentration of H plus ion is equal to 10 raised to minus pH we write the pH in this form, and similarly pOH of solution can be defined as the negative logarithm to the base 10 of molar concentration of OH minus ions in solution. Thus we write as pOH is equal to minus log to the base 10 concentration of OH minus ion. We see the definition of pH and pOH. pH is the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion, and pOH is the negative logarithm of the OH minus ion concentration. We take a relationship between pH and pOH. The ionic product of water is given by Kw is equal to concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus. The Kw equation shows that Kw is equal to 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 14 at 25 degrees Celsius. Hence we can write as concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus ion is equal to 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 14 at 25 degree Celsius. Taking logarithm of both sides of this equation, we get log to the base 10 concentration of H plus ion plus log to the base 10 concentration of OH minus ion is equal to log to the base 10 raised to minus 14 is equal to minus 14. We multiply this equation by minus 1. We write as minus log to the base 10 concentration of H plus minus log to the base 10 concentration of OH minus is equal to 14. The first term of the left of the equation is pH and the second term is pOH. It follows therefore pH is plus pOH is equal to 14. So pH is equal to 14 minus pOH and pOH is equal to 14 minus pH. For neutral solution, pH is equal to pOH is equal to 7. For acidic solution, concentration of H plus is greater than concentration of OH minus, pH is less than 7. And for basic solution, concentration of H plus is less than OH minus, hence the pH of solution is greater than 7. Next point, we see that what is the pH scale and what is the acidity, basicity and neutrality of aqueous solution. For neutral solution at 25 degrees Celsius, the concentration of H plus is equal to concentration of OH minus is equal to 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 7. The pH of neutral solution will be minus log to the base 10 concentration of H plus is equal to minus log to the base 10 into 1 into 10 raised to minus 7 is equal to 7. The pH of solution is less than 7. The solution is called as acidic solution. The pH is about 7. The solution is called neutral solution, and the pH which is greater than 7, the solution is called basic solution. In an acidic solution, the concentration of hydrogen ion is greater than concentration of OH minus ion, and in Basic solution: the excess of OH minus ion. Therefore, basic solution concentration of H plus is less than concentration of OH minus. That is, concentration of H plus is less than 1 into 10 raised to minus 7. Hence, for basic solution, pH is greater than 7. We take a problem on pH. First, we read the problem. The pH of a solution is 6.45. Calculate the concentration of H3O plus ion or concentration of H plus ion. H3O plus ion or H plus ion is same. Here the value of pH is given in this problem, that is 6.45. We have to calculate the concentration of H3O plus ion. First, we write as the formula for pH. The pH is given by pH is equal to minus log to the base 10 concentration of H3O plus ion. Hence we write as minus log to the base 10 concentration of H3O plus ion is equal to minus pH. In the problem, the value of pH is given. Put up the value of pH, that is 6.45. Here is the minus sign, minus 6.45. We write as minus 6 minus 0.45 minus 1 plus 1 is equal to minus 7 plus 0.55. Hence we write as 7 bar 0.55. Hence in the last, that is the concentration of H plus or concentration of H3O plus is equal to antilog of 7 bar 0.55. Write down the antilog of 7 bar 0.55 is equal to 3.548 into 10 raised to minus 7 in molar. We have to calculate the concentration of H3O plus ion in this problem. Last value is the concentration of H3O plus ion is calculated. We take another problem. First we read the problem. Calculate pH and pOH of 0.01 molar HCl solution. In this problem we have to calculate pH and pOH of 0.01 molar HCl solution. We know that HCl is the strong acid and it dissociates completely in the water. First we have to write the reaction. HCl at aqueous plus H2O gives H3O plus Cl minus ion. Hence The concentration of H3O plus is given in the problem, that is 0.01 molar. Write down concentration 0.01 molar. Convert it 1 into 10 raised to minus 2 molar. Then write down the formula for pH. pH is equal to minus log to the base 10 concentration of H3O plus ion is equal to minus log to the base 10, put up value of concentration 1 into 10 raised to minus 2, take a log, that is 2, and we know that the formula for pOH is equal to pH plus pOH is equal to 40. Therefore pOH is equal to 14 minus pH. The value of pH is 2. Put up the value, 14 minus 2 is equal to 12. In this problem, the value of pH is 2 and the value of pOH is 12 for HCl solution, 0.01 molar HCl solution. We have to calculate pH and pOH